Welcome to our tutorial on conditional route handlers in ExpressJS. We start by importing the Express module and initializing our application with the Express function. Here we define a global variable, feature flags, to simulate a feature flag system. Feature flags are toggles that enable us to turn features on or off without deploying new code. We define feature flag middleware. This middleware function checks if a given feature flag, denoted by flag name, is true. If it is, we call next with the argument route to bypass the current handler and move to the next one. If not, we call next without arguments to proceed to the current route's handler. We set up an initial route for the path, feature. The first handler is an anonymous function that calls our feature flag middleware with the specific flag name we want to check. If the new feature active flag is not active, the request continues to the next handler which sends the response old feature. Here is our second route for feature. This only gets called if the feature flag middleware called next route, effectively skipping the previous route's handler. It sends the response new feature, demonstrating the new functionality. Finally, we have the listen method which starts our server on port 3000. Once the server is running, you will see the message server listening on port 3000 in the console, indicating the server has started successfully.